guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you see by the title, it's gonna be antibody test to see if I ever had COVID before. A little bit of the story time, how I got my hands on it. So last week I received a letter from Imperial College London. They basically sent out randomly people around England these antibody tests. So I was also offered to do this test. So this test will help government to understand how many people in England may have already been infected with the virus. So basically in this letter it explains that it's voluntarily, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But they provide a website where you can register if you do, and also the code that you have to put in so you receive the kit. So after all the thinking, I decided I'm gonna go for it and I will help out the study. I went on a website, put the code in, and basically they already had all my details on it. I just had to confirm if it's like correct, answer a few more questions, and that was it. It also said on the information that was on the website that everyone who volunteers and registers to like kind of get the kit, not everyone will get it, so that was fine for me if I don't. So this week I actually got my parcel where there is the antibody test inside, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be testing me out. So what was in the package? So it came in this envelope here, and inside was the antibody kit, and then there was a letter. Basically after you do the test and you have your results, you can go on the website and put the code in again that they have sent me on this letter, and basically do a questionnaire and send them the picture you have taken after the test, because there is one step that you have to put your little kind of test thing on the page and take a picture, and then obviously once you do your questionnaire you will send them the picture so they can gather the information how your test was. So the next thing that was inside was additional information page, which basically says who carries out the study, so how did they get your name and address, and what will be in the kit, and how you gonna get the results, and so on and so on. The following thing is more additional information that's basically general to you about legal basis, if they share my information to others, and so on and so on. And the last thing that was in the letter was this booklet here. So basically this booklet shows you step by step how to do the antibody test at home. So these steps I'm gonna be following step by step, and then at the end it shows the result page so you can compare what did you get and what does it mean. And yeah, at the end, once you're done, after 10 minutes you check your results and take a picture, and then go on a website and fill in the questionnaire and show them your picture so they can basically add it to their research. So that's about it of ramblings. So without further ado, let's just lay everything down on a table and let's just do the test. Also, it says on the first step that you have to wash your hands, sanitize the table you're gonna be laying everything out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. For the next part of the video I'm not gonna be talking because I really want to concentrate on what I'm doing. I'm still gonna be filming, but I'm not gonna say anything so I don't mess it up. And if you are iffy about like needles or blood, then maybe you should turn away now and not continue watching this video. But if you're fine with that, then keep watching if you're interested. I personally really don't like needles or taking blood and stuff like that, so it's really terrifying for me, as I'm gonna be doing it by myself as well, not like a doctor's. So that's kind of scary, but I'm all here for it and I'm gonna help the study. So without further ado, let's just go and let's just test me out and see what kind of results I am gonna get. So this is what's inside the kit. So you get the alcohol wipe, the needles, the testing stick, the buffer liquid, the pipe to suck the blood in, a cotton bud and a plaster. So let's do it. I'm super shaken. I'm super shaken. So now we wait 10 minutes to see the results. So guys, we are 7 minutes in, still no change. There's only one red line on the letter C, and if there's no more lines after 10 minutes on G or M, then that means my test will be negative, and it means I haven't had anything to do with COVID before. Obviously it's not 100%, but it's kinda good to know. So we're at the last minute, and so far no changes, which is good. So we are at 10 minutes now, so let's take a photo. So now we have to place the stick right here, And what does it say? Place your stick on the shaded space below and take a photo from directly above in well-lit area. Avoid any shadows in the photo and do not use a flash. Use the black line as guide for the edges of your photo to keep the testing kit in the center of the photo. So let's do that. Right, so that's done, and we just have to fill in the questionnaire now and provide them with the photo. So guys, the testing is done. My results are negative. It wasn't actually bad at all. No pain, no stinging whatsoever. I was overthinking things for sure. And if you ever like get your hands on it, I would do it, but obviously you can still research more about it if you want to before you actually decide to do the test. That's what I did, but in the end I decided obviously to do it and help the researchers out. And yeah, I really hope this video was informative for you and maybe answered a few questions you might have had about these antibody tests. I was super scared to film this video because my hands were shaking. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Thursday, guys. Bye!